Alright, so we made it to this first point over here. Let's check it out. Let's see. Hopefully the sun's not too bright. Pretty nice breeze up here too. It wasn't too bad of a walk, but we still got some more to go. Not really sure where we're gonna end up, but let's see. Okay. I guess since my last video I should update that I am getting better day by day, improving. I still have a lot of pain. God, this is a pain of something I wish on no one. I mean, whether it be a shoulder, back, God, it sucks. Okay, getting close to some cars now. So I think we're approaching the Pozo, which is up here on top of the mountain. I'm not really sure how far we've gone. I should have checked. But according to the map, about 5 kilometers. So yeah, hopefully we'll be there in a second. Now we have to go up again. I'm on a little senda. Behind me. And then we'll be there. Oh, I think this hike is coming to an end. I think we're gonna go down now the mountain, and there should be some lakes, or some pozas. We saw some guy, and he said, what did he say? Flipa de la gente que hay. Flipa de la gente que hay. Okay, oh, I think I see it. All right, let's go. Yeah, that's a whole bunch of people. We're gonna try and make it down here without falling, hopefully. So this is one of the pozas. Nice little waterfall. This girl, I want to catch her diving. Let's see, how can I get there quick enough? This is awesome. Oh, I think she's gonna do it. She's standing. Woo! I wonder how deep it goes. Huh. Okay, so there you go. There's the Pozo. A hell of a walk. Sorry, the Poza, which means what? Lake. It's like a little lagoon, right? Little pool and stuff. Anyway, diving. It's really nice. Lots of people, kids, family, and apparently there's some private ones that are not too far from here. Maybe we'll check it out. Maybe another day. We'll see. Okay, so now we've climbed out of the Poza, and in this nice little area here. This is the top of the Poza. So we didn't plan this, so no tenemos agua, comida, cosas para picar y tal. Alright, so, yeah, I think this is where we're gonna stop for today. We've made it to the bottom, almost to the car, and I think now we're gonna go over to the town of Moratalla. Nice walk. I don't know how far. I think there and back again we went probably about 6 or 7 miles. My Strava was acting up because I didn't have service, so I'll have to kind of map it out later on. But yeah, good stuff. Definitely I'd recommend it. I'm definitely gonna come back here. There's more to go see and do. All right, so we've made it to Moratalla. Eso, por detrás. And we're gonna get something to snack on, a little beer, and we'll walk around here, see what's going on. And there are some UNESCO things here. But we're just gonna go kind of walk to the Pueblo real quick towards the castle on top, check it out and call it a day because I'm hurting. It's pretty hot and and yeah, that's it because it's my channel and I can do what I want to do. Is anybody home? Did we just walk this? It's closed. There you go. It's closed. Ah, well. Okay guys. gonna show you guys a quick view. I'm gonna call it quits. Okay, check it out. Moratalla. Thanks again for watching. To recap, we did a little bit of hiking, went to a poza, and now we're in Moratalla, and that's about it. So remember to like, subscribe, come back, because right now while I'm here, I'll just be going to pueblos, doing some hiking. Sadi and I maybe showing you some tapas and some different things like that. Thanks again, guys. Until next time, hit that like button, smash it. I'll see you guys soon. Hasta luego.